this was the first year that we did the ESG reporting on the group level. Of course, many of our subsidiaries are already ISO certified in environmental and energy management, so they have a lot of KPIs already available. But this was the first time that we did a systemized collection of ESG KPIs for the whole group. We used a tool, CCH Tagetik, to collect this data and to consolidate it on the group level. And it was a very helpful tool. Without it, it would be quite a task. Now we actually have, for the first time, data available on the whole level, not only on the level of individual subsidiaries, but really on the whole level. And we will be happy to use this data as a baseline year and also to set ourselves new goals regarding sustainability and really monitor our ESG performance and progress. Know that it's a journey. It's not an overnight success. Start with the data that you have. Really study the legal requirements that might be relevant for you, and also study which of the many sustainability topics are relevant for you, with, of course, the help of materiality analysis. And then just go from the data that you have, ensure the data quality, and then maybe expand later as you go. You can use it even if you're just starting your journey, and you can use it in a very basic manner with the prepackaged systems. Or on the other hand, if you're an advanced user, you can really use it to implement your own customized solutions. So I would say it's a really great tool, but of course it's a tool and there's a lot of also prep work behind. So the more team members you can have on this project from different departments, because sustainability is quite comprehensive topic, the better. But Tagetik definitely helps and make things more efficient.